Welcome to the Think Forward podcast, where we speak with futurists, innovators, and big thinkers. Come along with your host, Steve Fisher, and explore the future together.
Welcome back to Foundations in Foresight, a Think Forward series. I'm Steve Fisher, and today we're diving into an incredibly powerful and honestly pretty cool component of the transform model, the integration of natural rules. Ever wonder why schools of fish move seamlessly without a traffic controller, or how birds can flawlessly navigate thousands of miles without a GPS? Nature has figured out efficient and resilient ways of adapting to change. In today's episode, we'll unpack how the transform model harnesses these natural rules, giving you practical insights for thriving in an unpredictable world. Let's start by acknowledging something fascinating. Nature has been running experiments for billions of years. Through relentless trial and error, ecosystems developed ingenious ways to adapt, survive, and thrive despite constant disruptions and challenges. Nature's solutions are elegant, efficient, and most importantly, resilient. The transform model integrates these natural principles, offering powerful lessons for businesses, organizations, and even your personal life. Let's dive into 3 key natural rules we can apply. First up is self-organization. Nature is great at organizing itself without a central plan. Take ants, for example. Each ant follows simple rules, like laying pheromone trails, finding food, and avoiding collisions. From these basic rules emerges complex, adaptive, and highly efficient colonies. In the transform model, self-organization means empowering teams and individuals to respond dynamically to challenges without rigid hierarchies. Organizations adopting self-organizing principles often foster greater innovation, resilience, and responsiveness. A practical tip: encourage autonomy within your teams. Clearly define shared goals, but give space for individuals to innovate their paths forward. Second is emergence. Emergence is the fascinating principle where simple interactions lead to complex, unpredictable outcomes. Think of how billions of neurons in your brain work together to create consciousness, or how individual consumers interacting can form entirely new markets overnight. Emergence tells us that by fostering healthy interactions, organizations can create innovative and unexpected opportunities. When Netflix transitioned from DVDs to streaming, it wasn't because they had a detailed 10-year roadmap. They experimented, observed patterns, and then embraced the emergent shift toward streaming. A practical tip: foster environments where innovation and experimentation are encouraged. Create safe spaces for ideas to collide and new solutions to emerge naturally. The third is feedback loops. Nature's full of feedback loops, systems where the output influences the input, stabilizing or amplifying change. Consider predator-prey relationships. If prey numbers rise, predator populations also grow until they reduce prey populations, balancing the ecosystem naturally. Nature uses feedback to maintain equilibrium. Businesses and organizations thrive when they harness feedback loops effectively. Netflix, for instance, constantly analyzes viewer behavior to inform new content decisions, creating a powerful feedback loop that continually refines their strategy. A practical tip: actively seek and incorporate feedback, not just occasionally, but as a regular part of your decision-making cycle. Now, let's pause for reflection. Think about a current situation you're navigating, maybe a project at work, a business strategy, or even a personal challenge. How could you integrate these natural rules of self-organization, emergence, or feedback loops into your approach? Ask yourself, are you micromanaging or allowing natural self-organization? Are you creating spaces where new emergent solutions can arise? Have you set up feedback loops to continuously adapt and evolve? Take a moment today to reflect and jot down your thoughts. Let's quickly recap. Today, we explored how natural principles like self-organization, emergence, and feedback loops can significantly enhance your capacity to adapt to change. These aren't just abstract ideas. They're proven, practical methods that help organizations and individuals navigate complexity with confidence. Your call to action: pick just one natural principle, self-organization, emergence, or feedback loops, and apply it intentionally to a current challenge or project. Notice what changes. And that's it for episode 28. If you found today's insights valuable, stick around, because in the next episode, we'll dive deeper into systems thinking within the transform model trademark and how recognizing interconnectedness is your superpower in tackling complexity. Remember, nature has been navigating change for billions of years. It's our turn to learn and adapt from its wisdom. Stay curious, stay adaptive, and as always, think forward.
Thanks for listening to the Think Forward podcast. You can find us on all the major podcast platforms and at www.thinkforwardshow.com, as well as on YouTube under Think Forward Show. See you next time.